Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ferrari key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's also wise to place your key fob on a soft cloth to avoid any scratches during the process. Now, carefully examine your key fob to find the small slot, usually located on one of its sides or at the bottom edge. This is where we will begin the disassembly. Once you've located the slot, gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver. Apply a slight twisting motion to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a small click as the casing begins to separate. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. Once separated, you will see the old battery inside. Before removing the old battery, pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Using your screwdriver or a small non-metallic tool, gently lift out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This ensures proper contact and function. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your Ferrari key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely reassembled. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, test all the keys functions like locking and unlocking to ensure the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.